Traveling Pisces peeps.
Hey, what's up, guys?
All right, today we are coming to you from Waco, Texas. Where are we at, Barry?
You just said we in Waco, Texas.
I know, but where are we at in Waco, Texas?
We at the Silos.
We're going to see Chip and Joanna. Nah,
Magnolia Silos.
They're probably not here. I'm sure they're out working. But yes, unless you guys have been hiding under a rock, I'm sure you know who Chip and Joanna are. If not, we'll give you a little tutorial in a bit on who they are and why we're excited to go see the silos.
Let's go check it out.
Chip and Joanna purchased the silos in 2014 and knew exactly how they wanted to transform this area and continue to grow their empire. What began as a fixer-upper and house flip show on HGTV has now grown to so much more. The Silos has a retail store with lots of little unique treasures for your home and garden. There are seasonal items scattered throughout the store, sure to add some pop to whatever season you're there for. True to form, every detail of this retail store screams Joanna's designer touch and Chip's amazing way of bringing her creations to life. My favorite area in the store was these beautiful columns which incorporated books into the design. Alright, Joanna and Chip, you guys are just showing off now. As we walked further into the store, Aaron found his little area. Tell the pride that the Gaines have taken in their retail shop. Each one of these products screams Joanna's styles. Located in Waco, Texas, in the Silo district, their silo offers a gorgeous outdoor area where families can lounge and spend time together. It is outlined with some cool food trucks, sure to have something on the menu to please everyone. And y'all know we're in the South, they even have a stand designated to sweet tea. The area also has cool outdoor decor sprinkled throughout various gardens, which also have their own little stores where you can purchase plants and flowers. My favorite part of the silos, however, is hands down the bakery. No matter the day or time, there is always a long time to enter, but these cupcakes are so worth it.
They all look so good. Don't tell Aaron. I'm getting the whole cupcake box. I can't help it.
Cupcakes.
I don't think he's gonna mind.
What you got?
Camper.
What you got there?
I couldn't decide, so we had to get the cupcake collection. Holy moly, I'll tell you all the different ones that we got as soon as we sit down. And then we also added in a biscuit for Aaron. Not sure what's in it, but we're gonna check that one out
It's
too.
got bacon and cheddar cheese.
Oh, that sounds good. Let's go eat.
All right, so here's the cupcake.
No.
All right, so here's the biscuit. Scratch made.
Oh, bacon and cheddar. I think the only thing that would make this better is if it was bacon cheddar with jalapeno.
All right, so Jeanette is good at filming. I'm good at eating.
Good?
It's good. Be better if it's a little warm, but
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at these.
so what is it? Do you know?
Pure perfection. Pure perfection.
Do you know which one is which? All right, so here's what we got. We have the classic. We have the campfire, lemon lavender, celebration, strawberries and cream, and pumpkin spice. And they all look good.
And a happy face.
All right, which one do I want to try first? I guess you gotta go with the classic. It's so pretty, I don't even want to eat them.
I know. It's like a work of art.
Oh, we didn't get a fork.
Go in and grab a fork.
You don't need a fork for the cupcake. You need a fork, I don't need a fork.
Your eyes went so big. Is it that good? Hey, don't eat all of it. Save me some.
These are the worst cupcakes I ever had in my life.
And then I'm gonna have to go order some more. Eat all my cupcakes.
Holy shit.
I can't take big bites like you.
Alright, so obviously we're not going to try all of these cupcakes at once, but we're going to finish this one here, so hope you...
She means I'm gonna finish this one here.
Alright, so we are done checking out Magnolia. What do you think?
That was pretty cool. I really enjoyed myself there.
It was really cool. We love watching Chip and Joanna on HGTV before we sold our sticks and bricks, so
Yeah.
thanks Chip and Joanna, because you guys definitely helped us get it in shape and ready to sell.
And what's crazy is that they really amassed to become really big celebrities here in Waco, so
Yeah,
good for them.
you can tell they're very, very loved here. And the silo is gorgeous, and it's much larger than I thought because they have more buildings than I was aware. They have a couple of different shops, and then the bakery, huge
Some food
area
trucks.
to sit out, yeah, food trucks, and then they're building a coffee shop. Really cool. And then on top of that, they have a trolley that is free. It picks you up here and it takes you through downtown district, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
All right, so if you guys are anywhere near Waco or traveling through it, you have to take a chance or take a second, stop and check it out. Pretty cool. Oh, and Joanna, I see you put shiplap on the board.